Hey guys, welcome back. So I just want to apologize for not being consistent for the past couple of weeks. I have a reason for that, and it's that we are moving from one apartment to the other. This one is way bigger than the one that we have been in, and I've been organizing and reorganizing stuff, moving stuff from one apartment to the next, and all of that. So, with that being said, I definitely will be posting or trying to post at least 2 videos a week for the next couple of weeks, and until everything in the new home is sorted out. So, today's video would be I would be showing you how I organize and decorate my daughter's room. And her color scheme is pink, gold, silver, and white. So I would be doing a series on different DIYs and how I decorated her walls and what she has in her room. And then for the last video of this series would be a room tour of her room. So let's jump right into this video. I started off this with using my LA's Totally Awesome all-purpose cleaner. I absolutely love using this product, and also a cleaning cloth, and I wiped down each of the shelves on the bookshelf. I then started to organize all of the storybooks, activity books, and coloring books from the smallest to the largest, and place them in order and place them onto the third shelf. I absolutely love using the LA's Totally Awesome cleaners. I do get them at Dollar Zone. You can get them at any dollar store as well. And all the products I used, I got them from Dollar Zone. She loves using these watercolor books, so I do have a lot of those, and also coloring books that she has gotten over the past years and that I have bought for her. So I just organize these and place them onto the shelf. The larger books I just placed flat onto the shelf. Also, her whiteboards and drawing pads and other stuff, I placed those lying down as well. Also, I had her learning books like that dry erase learning book. She has a lot of those, so I also placed those on that shelf. I took the ceramic elephant that I got from my grandmother, and I used it as a bookend to hold the books in place. So for the first two shelves, I took her stuffed animals and her stuffed toys, and I placed them on top of those shelves. She has a lot of them that she has collected over the years. I actually did remove those dolls and place them somewhere else, and I was previously storing them in these pink pop-up hampers that I got from Dollar Zone. So I just organize these as I see fit, from the biggest being behind, the smaller ones to the front. And for the last shelf, I took 2 of these dish pans that I had on hand, but I also got from Dollar Zone, and I placed all of her puzzles and her smaller activity books and stickers, those activity books that she got from her play packs and stuff, her sensory kits that I made, I DIY'd, and also those that I made, her flashcards and paints and paintbrushes and stuff like those, and I placed all of those into those bins. I just separated them from learning and her sticker books and everything like that. So I just separated each bin. The only thing I didn't do was label each bin, but I know exactly what's in each bin. So this is how the bookshelf turned out. I absolutely love how it looks. She can see everything that she has, especially those stuffed animals that never gets played with, but she still loves them, so it's kind of like hard to get rid of them. So now she can see exactly what she has. I do apologize for the blurriness of this video, some parts of it. Also at the side of the shelf, of the bookshelf, they have 2 shorter shelves, and I just played her mini kitchen set and also her piggy bank, so it would be very easy access for her. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, this is a series and there will be other videos, so stay tuned for those. Also, if you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button and also leave a comment below letting me what you think, and also a big thumbs up, and also thumbs up this video, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.